Hello, I'm Aldis Kipadilla. I'm here because I will introduce you about my team. There is my team, Group 7. Let's talk about bees. Bees are spread all over the world. There are astonishing facts about bees.
Hello everyone, my name is Nistrina Fadila Putri and today I will tell you about the bees colonies. Some bees spend their lifetime in their own, but bumblebees and honeybees live in a large group called colonies. A bee's colonies contain of three types of bees. There is queen, worker bees, and the drone bees. The first one is the queen bees. The queen has a longer body than the other bees and the only one who lays the eggs. Queen bees are the largest individuals in the most colony and carry out many important functions in the hives. The second one is the drone. Male bees mate with the queen are called the drones. The only one males who found in the hives. Drones perform only one task during their lifetime. There is mating with the new queens. The third one is the worker bees. Worker bees are females, but they cannot lay the eggs. They spend much of their time gathering nectar from the plants, which they return into the honey. They carry out all of the worker needs to keep the colony fit and healthy. Where do the bees live? Honeybees live in the colonies called hives, containing one queen bees, thousands of female workers bees, and the male drones bees. A honeybee hive is like a busy city ruled by the queen, and the worker bees build the nest, look after the young bee groups, and forage for food. Inside of hive, the bees build hexagonal cells from the wax. Hundreds of these are packaged together to make the nest. Some cells are used by the queen to lay her eggs, and the other used to store honey, as known as honeycomb.
Benefit of bees for health. First, accelerate wound healing. Honey is rich in vitamin and mineral that are useful for cell repair and wound healing. Second, help the process of glucose metabolism. You just consume honeycomb to recover your energy again because it contains healthy glucose metabolism. Third, maintain oral health. There is antibacterial in the honeycomb which can clean and cure tooth and gum infection.
Hello everyone, my name is Tiara Syawalani and I'm the next speaker. Now I will tell you about benefits of bees for beauty and types of bees. Okay, there are two things about bees which can use for beauty. First, honey, and second, beeswax. Honey. What are benefits of honey for beauty? First, honey can be natural scrub to reduce our dead skin cell. If you use honey with sugar and olive oil to your face as masks, your face will always moisturize and your dead skin cell will reduce day by day. And then honey can also hide acne scars on our face, especially on T-zone. And then honey can also brighten our skin tone. If you often use it, your skin will brighten day by day. And then honey can also to prevent premature skin aging, and honey can keep our leaves to always moisturize. You can use honey for scrubbing or marks of your lips, and then honey can also nourish our hair. What are benefits of beeswax for beauty? First, beeswax can moisturize our skin. if honey can moisturize our lips, beeswax can moisturize our skin. And then beeswax can get rid of pimples, especially on our face. And the last, beside honey, you can use beeswax to be natural scrub to soften your lips. So if you often use it to your lips will soften. Okay, you guys can see on screens there are 5 types of bees. There are honeybees on first pictures, bumblebees on second pictures, and then leafcutter bees on third pictures, and digger bees, and the last mining bees. As I mentioned, each bees lives in different beehive and different environment, and their tasks are also different. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Samsuri Firdaus from Group 7. Here I will explain the characteristic of bees. First, settle in a clean place and absorb only the clean ones. Bees will only come to flowers or fruits or other clean places that contain honey or nectar ingredients. Second, remove the clean ones from the bees that are released. Help honey for humans. He is productive with kindness compared to other animals, only giving birth to something that is disgusting. Third, never damage. Bees, however, tether themselves to the branches. The branch was not damaged or broken. That is thus not environment. Fourth, work hard. Bees are hard workers. When it first emerges from its chamber, the worker bee cleans its nest cubicule for new eggs, and after 3 days of age, it feeds the larva, bringing honey pollen. Fifth, work collectively and submit to one leader. Bees always live in large colonies, never alone. They also work collectively, and each has their own duties. When the source of honey ascends, they will call their friends to suck it. Similarly, when there is danger, a bee will issue pheromones to invite friends to help themselves. 6. Never harm unless disturbed. Bees never stop attacking. He will attack only when he feels disturbed or threatened, and to maintain the honor of the bees themselves. They are willing to die by releasing the sting on the body of the attacked party. The conclusion is, bees are the only animals that have many benefits and have features compared to other animals because their honey contains many benefits. That's all from me, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.